guys, I'm at the restoration site of the old Bhubaneswar, Odisha, just present before the Lingaraj temple. And here you can find two temples, very ancient old temples. This one is called as the Kareshwara, and the one to the right is called as the Kartikeshwara temple. And here you can find many people totally devoted in the work of restoring this ancient monument.
So here you can see people with just primitive tools, just a chisel and a hammer. That's all they need. That's all they require. Just these few tools to create this marvelous piece of art. And our ancestors used to do the same thing, create mind-blowing architectural marvels, just like this one.
So let's go and ask this gentleman, how do they achieve this magnificent feat? And now he's saying me that they are hired by the ASI, that is the Archaeological Survey of India, and these stones they have been extracted from a mountain called as the Sukhasana Pahara, which is in the Achagoda district of Odisha. And there resides a goddess called as Champadei over this mountain. And now he's saying me that this quarry has 64 different types of colors of rocks, and there is a temple called as Vichiteshwara, which is made up of all the different types of rocks. Can you imagine that? I think that's a must-visit place. And they call these different colors of rocks as the Ranga Dalima.
And now he's saying me that this stone has special qualities, makes a metallic sound, and it can't be carved into plates and sharpened very easily.
And now he's telling me that they're here since the last 8 months, and they have been working on this very temple. And he's telling me that these craftsmen, they are here and they're using just these few tools to create this marvelous piece of art.
May Lord Shiva bless these blessed human beings to achieve their goals. Om Namah Shivaya, Shiva Shambho.